Hello and welcome back to my channel. We are solving previous year questions and today we are solving geography IS prelims 2022 questions. These questions are important because they are repeated directly or indirectly. First, consider the following pairs. Region often mentioned in the news and the country. Anatolia, Turkey. Amhara, Ethiopia. Cabo Delgado, Spain. Catalonia, Italy. How many pairs given above are correctly matched? Only one pair, only two pairs, only three pairs, all four pairs. Answer is only two pairs. Anatolia is part of Turkey. Amhara is in Ethiopia. These two are correct. Cabo Delgado is part of Mozambique, not Spain. And Catalonia is in Spain. Now this was asked in last year question or in 2019 or 18 I guess. Check the question. So you can see the questions get repeated directly or indirectly. Next, which one of the lakes of West Africa has become dry and turned into a desert? Similar question was asked in IS prelims in which a different lake was asked. So you must follow all the important lakes and those which are in news, any changes because of climate change. Options are Lake Victoria, Lake Fagubine, Lake Oguta, Lake Volta. Answer is B, Lake Fagubine. It has become dry and turned into a desert. Gandikota Canyon of South India was created by which one of the following rivers? Kaveri, Manjira, Pennar, Tungabhadra. There is much debate on this question. Right now we are going with the answer C, Pennar. Let's see what UPSC gives the answer in its official key. Let me know your answer in the comment section. Next, consider the following pairs, peak and mountains. Namcha Barwa, Garhwal Himalayas, Nanda Devi, Kumaon Himalaya, Nokrek, Sikkim Himalaya. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? Now Namcha Barwa is not part of Garhwal Himalaya. It is located far in the Arunachal Pradesh. So this is not correct. Nanda Devi is part of Kumaon Himalayas, yes. And Nokrek is part of Meghalaya, not Sikkim Himalaya. So only 2 is correctly matched. The term Levant, often heard in the news, roughly corresponds to which of the following regions? Region along the eastern Mediterranean shores, region along North African shores stretching from Egypt to Morocco, region along Persian Gulf and Horn of Africa, the entire coastal Mediterranean areas. Answer is region along the eastern Mediterranean shores. Next, consider the following countries: Azerbaijan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan. Which of the above have borders with Afghanistan? Now you may consider that it is a geography question, but in geography also current affairs is important because the regions, places which are in news are asked. Afghanistan was in news, that's why this question came, and I already made a trick to remember the countries that border Afghanistan. So you must check the video. Options are 1, 2 and 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 3, 4 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Answer is 3, 4 and 5. With reference to India, consider the following statements. Monazite is a source of rare earths. Monazite contains thorium. Monazite occurs naturally in the entire Indian coastal sands in India. In India, government bodies only can process or export monazite. This is a repeated question. 2 or 3 times monazite has been asked. Which of the statements given above are correct? Statement 1 is correct, 2 is correct, and 4 is correct. It is not found in the entire coastal area sands in India. So answer is 1, 2 and 4. In the northern hemisphere, the longest day of the year normally occurs in the first half of the month of June, second half of the month of June, first half of the month of July, second half of the month of July. Directly picked from NCERT and a repeated question also. Answer is B, second half of the month of June. Consider the following states: Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Tripura. How many of the above are generally known as tea producing states? There was much news on tea production in India, issues in Assam, in tea gardens. That's why this question has been asked. Only one state, only 2 states, only 3 states, all 4 states. Now all 4 states are tea producing states, so answer will be D. Consider the following pairs: Ghat Prabha, Telangana, Gandhi Sagar, Madhya Pradesh, Indira Sagar, Andhra Pradesh, Maithan, Chhattisgarh. In this question there is one confusion. This Indira Sagar, that here it is mentioned, the project Polavaram is in Andhra Pradesh and Indira Sagar reservoir is in Madhya Pradesh. So based on that, Only 3 pairs are correctly matched. But Indira Sagar project, in which there is Polavaram reservoir, it is in Andhra Pradesh. What should be the answer? Let me know in the comment section. With reference to the tea board in India, consider the following statements. Again, question on tea board. The tea board is a statutory body. It is a regulatory body attached to the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. The tea board's head office is situated in Bengaluru. The board has overseas office at Dubai and Moscow. Answer is 1 and 4. Consider the following statements. High clouds primarily reflect solar radiation and cool the surface of the earth. Low clouds have a high absorption of infrared radiation emanating from the earth's surface and thus cause warming effect. Which of the statements given above are correct? Both of the statements are not correct because high clouds do not reflect solar radiation, but they do trap long wave infrared radiation, causing the warming effect. So this makes the second statement also wrong. So answer will be neither 1 nor 2. System of the rice intensification of cultivation, in which alternate wetting and drying of rice fields is practiced, results in reduced seed requirement, reduced methane production, reduced electricity consumption. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. Answer is all of the above, 1, 2 and 3. You must practice previous year questions because questions get repeated directly or indirectly. You can expect question from the options that are not correct and they have been asked in question. So solving previous year questions is not only important for your UPSC prelims but also other exams, because questions do get picked from UPSC IS in CDS, CAPF, NDA, SSC, etc. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, and if you are new here, do subscribe. Have a nice day.